Hey guys, I got this awesome 3D diamond painting Christmas tree, and this is so cool. So it comes with two pieces for the diamond art, but it comes with both sides because it is 3D. And then it comes with this great base so that you can just put it in here and it'll actually be 3D. Now it comes with everything that you need. It comes with all of your diamonds here. It comes with your extra wax here, wax pen, so that all you're gonna do is put the tip of your pen into the wax so that your diamonds will stick to your pen. Another great feature about this is it comes with different baggies. So you do not have to worry that you're going to be losing all of your diamonds if you don't finish it in one setting. You can go ahead and just put the number on the bag and then put your diamonds inside of the bag. Another great thing is it comes with a little scoop so that you could put all of your beads in here so that when you're all done, you could just go ahead and empty them right into the package itself. Now this also comes with a gripper so that it may be easier for you to use if you put the gripper on. All you're gonna do is just slide it on here. So then it's easier for when you're gripping, you have more control and it's really comfy and soft. So with Christmas coming up, I definitely recommend this. This is a great Christmas present or birthday present. And then this can be used every year because it is really durable and it's a great design. And this is a great conversation starter because it's something that you've created and you can keep out in your home for years to come. Go check it out.